Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the chance given to me. My name is Reski Uspayanti. I'm the lecturer in Musamus University. I'm going to present the result of the study that the title is The Implementation of Blended Learning Method on Chemistry Students' Motivation in Learning English. This study focuses on the use of blended learning method in teaching and learning process that affect on students' motivation in learning English. In taking the data, the researchers were use observation, interview, and questionnaire. Learning method is one the main factor in teaching and learning process. Here, the teacher or the lecturer should improve not only their knowledge but also the way are teaching or their creativity in teaching. Blended learning is the combination of face-to-face learning and online learning. The term of blended learning appear when the carers and friends mention that face-to-face learning and online learning can be combined. According to Graham 2006, blended learning is one of the new learning strategies that provide a lot of benefits for students as well as a form of information technology support and communication towards new learning mode. This study also focused on motivation. Bakar 2014 stated that motivation is as the complex part from human behavior and psychology. It is effect on how individuals choose to invest their time, how much the energy used, how they think and feel about the task. And for the chemistry students, based on observation, chemistry students in Musamus University are still confused to understand English material. They have low motivation in learning English, and the low motivation happen because there is no handbook in teaching and learning process. And here, for this study, the researchers, give or use or implement the blended learning, namely for face-to-face learning, giving handbook that the title English for chemistry, and for the face-to-face, that for the online learning, namely using video uh, and also the material that deliver or send in the Google Classroom. And for the methods, the first one is a research design. The study focus on descriptive research, and for the research site and participant, this research conduct in Musamus University, which focus on the second semester of chemistry education department. About the research instrument, observation, interview, and questionnaire. For observation, that doing observation before implementing the blended learning in teaching and learning process, and observation after implementing blended learning in teaching and learning process. And for interview consists of 7 questions related to the blended learning and motivation. And also to make the data more valid, the researchers also give questionnaire which consists of 15 statements. For technique of collecting data and data analysis, the first is observation before implemented and after implemented blended learning, questionnaire, and interview. And for analysis the data from interview, namely use qualitative data analysis based on Miles and Huberman's theory, which consists of 3 stages: data reduction, data display, and conclusion verification. And for the result and discussion, the first one is a result of observation. Before introduce and implemented the blended learning, most students were boring in learning English. They didn't interest, they have low motivation in learning English because they think that English is there is not there specific. And after introduce or implemented blended learning in teaching and learning process, the students more attract in learning English because there is handbook for face-to-face learning with a complete with the uh, chemistry vocabulary, and then using video for online learning, and also the material which include in Google Classroom for online learning. And special for the video, uh, they more attract with the use of video because they can repeat that video in their home. And result of interview, based on interview, most students gave positive response on the use of blended learning in learning English. Some of them say that if they use handbook combined with learning video and the material in Google Classroom, make them motivate in learning English, and also they didn't feel boring again, especially for the using video. They can see the video in their home as the repetition for the material that has been explained. For the result of the questionnaire, which consists of uh, 15 questions for the first item, namely the use of English module. Uh, for the material, here 64.3% respondents agree, that strongly agree with the use of blended learning. 35.7% respondents agree with the use of blended learning. For the next item, namely learning English with modules, make them motivated. 7.1% respondents strongly agree with the use of the blended learning, and 92.9% respondents agree with the use of blended learning. For the next question also, the respondents mostly strongly agree with the use of blended learning in teaching and learning process that affect on their motivation in learning English. As the conclusion from the result of observation, here the respondents were motivated and happy with the use of blended learning method in learning English. The result of interview also show if the respondents gave a positive response of the blended learning method. The same result also show from the result of questionnaire that that the respondents strongly agree and agree with the use of blended learning in teaching and learning process. Okay, I think that's all my presentation about the implementation of blended learning that affect on students' motivation in learning English. Thank you.